Hey guys, welcome to Cfmoto Zforce here. Picked up our trailer finally, a 6x12 trailer to fit that Zforce on. Now I can take it anywhere. Pretty excited, brand new trailer. You know, trailers are hard to come by, so you can't even get a used one, a decent one anymore, especially at a good price. But find one that usually if you find them on like Marketplace somewhere or something, they're all beat up. So yeah, now I can go just about anywhere, and I'm looking forward to it. So we got these what do you call it, where you can put strap down anchors. There's 4 of them, one in each corner. This is a big trailer. I like this. So looking forward to putting the Zforce on it and showing you when I get home. Okay guys, I just got the trailer home. I am excited. Like, I can't believe I'm so excited about getting a utility trailer. I guess because it's new, there's no rust on it, and I know that the freedoms it's going to give me to go places I haven't been before with my Zforce 800. My wife thinks I'm nuts getting all excited about a utility trailer, but I think you guys know what I'm talking about. Men know what excites them, and we know that it's warranted. It's a good feeling. So anyways, now I'm going to load the Zforce on here for the first time, just to put it on, and we'll see how it goes. So the Zforce went on great, a little crooked, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm taking it right back off. But I got tons of room. It's 6x12, and the Zforce is 112 inches or 113 inches in length. So this is plenty of room, and that allows me room to strap it up properly. Got room to put straps, gas cans, whatever I need to put in here. Now you guys may know I recently had a blowout on the right front tire. I hit a rock, sliced my tire about that long, and that was quite an adventure. And I have a video that I just did about that. And so my dilemma was, do I buy 4 new tires? Because I would need 2 for sure, right? And plus the left side had a plug in it already, so the right side blew out, so I needed 2 new tires. I didn't want to just get 2 new tires. What I wanted to do was get 28-inch wheels and tires. I priced it all out. It's crazy expensive, but I also needed a trailer, and I needed a trailer badly so I could go to different places, experience different trails. Like from here, I can leave right from my property and hit the trail system, and I can go almost anywhere, but there's a lot of trails out there that I haven't seen before and I would like to go to, and some I've recently gone to with a bunch of new guys I've been riding with, and it's a blast. And now I can take my Zforce, and as you know, I was taking my Suzuki ATV, my Eiger, on some of those trips, and I borrowed a trailer from Powell Power Sports the last time and took this up to Lingham Lake area, Flinton, Tweed, and I was able to take my Zforce, and it was a blast. But you know what? I had a great time on the ATV as well. So anyways, what I did was I picked up 4 used tires, gently used tires. They're nice tires, and they're 6-ply. I hope they last me at least till next year, because I ride all winter as well. But I really needed my money for the trailer. I think that's more important. At least I can still play with my side-by-side and go to the places I want to. I'm going to show you guys these tires really quick. So I bought this utility trailer at Trailers Plus in Peterborough, Ontario. It's an Advantage trailer. It looks like it'll do the job. It's not like the greatest trailer in the world, but it's better than like a Lowe's trailer or Home Depot trailer, that's for sure. But yeah, they were great people to deal with, really good people. So these are the tires I got. They're Onklas, they're CST tires, and they're just 26, just like what was on it. But look at the tread on these. Look at the knobbies on these tires. They're just like new. So I'm hoping that they last me a long time, a lot longer than the other ones did. The other ones did last me 11 months though, but those rocks on those trails we were on, they were deadly, so I'm not surprised. The back ones are the same. It's like it's a set. Guy took off and he put paddle tires on his side-by-side a while back. So look at those treads on those tires. They should last me a long time. So like I say, I'm really excited. Can't wait to go on my first trip out with this trailer. And don't go anywhere. We got one more thing to do to this trailer. So guys, here's what I want to do. I want to put some Cfmoto Siderider stickers on. The only ones I had were in my side-by-side. I don't have any left in the house. And I actually only have 2 left. So I'm going to put one on each side. And I got to get some more stickers. But if you guys want a sticker, if you go on my video, look below the video, I think above the description, you'll see my merch from my merch store. You can get a sticker there. But yeah, these are my last 2 and I'm going to put them on now, and I got to get some more made. So when I see people out in the trails, I can give them a sticker. So I'm just going to put, these are the only ones I have right now, is these small ones. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the 6-inch ones made like I did that around my Zforce. I have one on my hood and one on the back of the roof. Look at that. That just looks like it's meant to be there. Orange on black. And I'm going to get the 6-inch ones made, and I'm put it further back on the trailer so that they can be really seen. And you know what? For now, I'm going to just strap my Zforce down to the trailer, just like I did in my last video when I strapped down the Zforce and the one I borrowed from Powell Power Sports. So if you're wondering how to strap down your ATV or your side-by-side, go to Redneck Garage, see what Steve does. He does a video on securing your machine to the trailer. And what he does is he grabs a strap and he puts it at the 2 o'clock or the 10 o'clock formation, depending on where your strap is anchored at this end or down at this end. And you just wrap it around here like this, you hook it here, and then you anchor it down here in the corner, wherever your anchoring spot is. And I'm telling you, it worked awesome. I was very surprised. I mean, I trust what he says, but when I did it, I was hoping I did everything right. I took my time, I was careful. And when I got to my destination where we're unloading the Zforce, it was still tight as can be. And it was quite a distance we drove. So yeah, go check out that video if you're having any issues with your strapping down of your vehicle. It works really well. So yeah, thanks for sharing my excitement of a utility trailer. Whoever thought I'd get so excited about a utility trailer? But what this utility trailer means is adventure to new places. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to this channel, consider it. I'd appreciate it. And we will see you on the next video.